Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we'll be going through how we can fix an error occurred in Spotify web player. The first solution is to make sure that you are using a supported browser, like the latest version of Firefox or Google Chrome. So make sure that you're using the browser that is supported by Spotify. In case you are on Mac, you can use the default Safari web browser. So solution number 2 is to update your current browser. On Mozilla Firefox, click the menu button in the top right corner and then select options. Then scroll down to Firefox update section and then click on check for updates. Now install the updates and then try using the web player again. Click the three dot on the top right corner. In case there is an update available, you will see update Google Chrome notification. So click that and wait for the installation process to complete. Now solution number 3 is to clear browser cache and cookies. So on Firefox, click the menu button and then select options. Then go to privacy and security and then scroll down to cookies and site data. Now click on clear data and then hit clear. On Google Chrome, click on the more button and then go to more tools, then select clear browsing data. Now from the time range, choose all time and then click on clear data. Now try using the web player again and hopefully the issue should be resolved. We hope that this was helpful for you guys. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.